You want to know how you can simply go ahead and find lost iPhone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is two steps I'm going to teach you that you need to do before losing your phone. That way you can be safe on the future. And then even if you lost it already, then there are other ways you can go ahead and find it as well. So the first things first, what you can do is simply go ahead and open settings and search for Find My right over here and click on that. Once you've done that, this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on location and then click on while using application and then precise location. When you go ahead and do that, it's going to simply go ahead and share your location, right? So the other thing you need to do is simply click on share my location on Apple right over here and then make sure that your Find My iPhone is always turned on and share my location is always turned on. All right, if you have those in check, what you can do is simply go ahead into any browser that you want to head into and then simply search for icloud.com/find, just like that. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and sign in into your iCloud account right over here, just like that. And once you go ahead and do so, it will simply go ahead and show you where exactly your devices are going to be on or where it was seen last. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.